Introducing a life-changing successful course, Entrepreneurship Development Program for Women, by Mr. Segir Ahmed. You are too important to God, therefore, He created you. There is more than half of the brain power in women's brain in the world. In the next 150 years, the world would become more enormous in terms of communication and technology than in the last 150 years. Women are kept improving their lifestyle from the past decades, and they are now on the key role in industries, doing the planning and management in corporations and homes too. That's why we believe that women can use their skills from home and from anywhere. So, we came up with this life-changing course for all women, whether they live at home, taking education, doing the job, even if they get married and managing home. Altogether, this course gives energy to impending era in the form of fresh, motivated women. The course Entrepreneurship Development Program for Women has 12 chapters, which are basically 12 lectures. Every chapter is the independently complete story and the part of the next topics. So, relate every current chapter with previous chapters for more clarity. The unique topics of this course includes personality analysis, study of hormones for entrepreneurs, skill analysis test, how to create the creativity, time topology, business plan and its role, how to introduce your own brand, how to build your own company, the role of technology in the new company, role of operational research game theory in your business, finance optimization and finance management, promotion, marketing and selling, and many, many more. After completing this course, you will know the difference between the entrepreneur's personality and others. You can observe and understand significance of hormones in character building. You will know how to find your skills, how to shine your skills, and then how to use your skills. You will start thinking creative new ideas. You will manage your complete life with the help of time topology. You will be able to analyze the positive and negative aspects of your business with the help of business plan. You will know what is brand management. You will design your own brand, and you will know how a new brand is introduced. You will be able to register your own company according to the rules of your country. You will know what is business informatics and how you can use the emerging information technology in your business to reduce the overall cost of your business. You will be able to apply operational research methods in your business that will minimize your business risk factors, optimize the business operations, and boost your confidence level in business. You will know about the finance management of your business. By this you can generate more profits. You will also know the special techniques to promote, market and sell your ideas and products. Ultimately, your business will grow very rapidly, and you will see a huge difference in your personality. In our past shows, that many of girls, after completing this course, introduces their own brands. Some of them are Heavenly Vibrant, Submile, Oneness Collection, Our, and Arzad, and the Heavenly Throne. Mr. Segir Ahmed is known as the father of time topology, visual mathematics, visual philosophy, treatise of human education and a 5-star business planner. For more details visit our website, www.kunworld.com. You can also email us on sufiofsoul@gmail.com and contact us on our WhatsApp number 033303744429. And please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.